everyone, this is Lucy, and today we will be learning how to use Google Translate on WhatsApp. So first, you need to make sure that you have your Google Translate app installed. So you just need to go to Play Store and search for Google Translate and install it through here. Now in the Google Translate app, you need to click on your profile, go to settings, then you will see an option called tap to translate. Click on that. You need to enable all of these options. Now you will have this bubble on your screen. So let's say I have a message in my WhatsApp that I wrote in some other language than English. Now what I'll do is just tap on the text and click on the Google Translate. It will translate this particular text for me there. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll meet you guys in the next video.